According to the nature of science, and 8 million tons of fisheries waste are entered the oceans each year. In Egypt only, about 200,000 tons of shrimp shells are produced. In Chitotech, we are working an effective solution by transferring these shrimp shells into nano chitosan by clean process near to zero waste. We firstly conquered the agriculture market by introducing organic nano products that replacing the chemical products. When it comes to poisonous pesticides, more than 400 million cases are get poisoned globally. Moreover, we are producing bioplastic from this marvelous polymer to reduce the 8 million tons of plastic that enter the oceans each year. In addition, this polymer has many applications in the medical field, wastewater treatment, and food additives. So join our journey in making a better life.